So tamasim vishayavasita vasana purvam tyaktva. First of all, give up the possessiveness of things. Then, this is called nisheda, what should be given up. Then what should be practiced? Maitreya adi bhavana namni gruhana malavasanam. See, now this is the possessiveness of objects is removed. Now, that positive thing. Maitreya adi bhavana namni. Then have a loving relationship of friendliness with everybody in this world. Meaning, reduce the value and importance given to the things and increase the value and importance given to the beings, human beings, not animals. See? Otherwise, we get lost so much. For the sake of the animal, the dog, there are people who give up their parents. I cannot give up my dog. Let the parent go, I don't care. Not like that. Maitreyadi bhavana namni. So there are four types of things. Those who are elder than us, reverence for them. Those who are our age groups, the friendliness with them. Those who are younger than us, forgiveness for them. And those who are problematic elements in the society, be indifferent for them. We don't have to get involved with everybody. Maitreyadi bhavana namni gruhana amala vasanam. And in this manner, let our mind be made pure by removing the negativity and cultivating the positivity. As much negativity are vasanas, impressions, so much positivity are also vasanas, impressions. Like the first thorn which has entered the foot is removed by another thorn, and thereafter both of them are thrown. See? Tam api antya parityajya tabhir vyavaharan api. Now, these Maitreyadi bhavana namni, these good vasanas, wherein our mind is in a very good disposition, is undisturbed, full of love, understanding. Even that vasana means what? First, the thorn has gone in the foot, that is tamasi vasana, vishaya vasita. Then you take another thorn and remove or try to weaken the impact of the vishaya vasana by another thorn, that is the Maitreyadi bhavana namni. Thereafter tam api. Now this also, goodiness, tam api anta parityajya. So be friendly with everybody. Don't get lost in, I am a friend to a friend. No, let us be friendly with everybody. Bhagavan says, Maitra Karuna Evacha. See? The devotee is described, Maitra. He is friendly to everyone. So, tam api anta parityajya. Tabihi vyavaharan api. So, when we are conducting our business of life day to day with the people, yes, we have to practice that. See? Respect, friendliness, then forgiveness and indifference. Even those vasanas, parityajya, tabihi vyavaharanapi, although we are functioning with these four principles, then antashanta samasta iha bhava chinmatra vasana. Then even those goody things are also given up. In short, yoga kshemam vahamyam, Bhagwan's words. Yoga, collecting the things. Kshema, protecting the things. See? All of them are completely given up. Neither caught up in the worldly objects, nor caught up in the worldly beings. See? This is what happens to all of us. We first of all get lost in the worldly objects. In the second place, we get lost is in our relations. These are the two. Tam api anta parityajya tabihi vyavaharan api antashanta samasta iha bhava chinmatra vasanaha. And then all your positive, negative, good, bad, everything is rejected and then remain aware of your own being. Aham Brahmasmi. Meaning, no thoughts are erupting with reference to the worldly objects or with reference to the relations in this world. So things and beings have zero impact on us. See? Tamapi anta parityajya tabihi vyavaran api antashanta samasteho bhavachin matra vasanaha. Now start remaining more and more in awareness, not aware of, not concentration. These are two words also we all have to understand. Don't have that funny notion, concentration. No, don't concentrate. See? Concentration is always of others. There is no self-concentration, self-awareness. So, tam api atha parityajya. Now the third renunciation. First, objects are rejected. Then the relations are purified. Then relations are rejected. Now we come to the third. Now not the third. The third is then the Atma Vasana, Chinmaya Vasana. Then we are remaining more and more in awareness. Now the next step, the fourth stage. Tam api atha parityajya. Mano buddhi samanvitam. Because aham brahmasmi, I am not the body, I am this, I am that. Even that also has to be ultimately rejected. Tam api atha parityajya. See? Mano buddhi samanvitam, along with the mind and intellect, understanding, etc. Even this chinmatra vasana, aham brahma, even that has to be rejected. Sheshe, and what remains? Thira samadhanaha, yena tejasi tajtyaja. Then by whatever you have rejected, the worldly objects, then develop good relations with the people. Then rejected that, then started your spiritual practice remaining more and more in awareness. Dekho suno mat bolo. After that, even these efforts involved in all the earlier three, even they are given up. So, mano buddhi samanvitan tam api atha parityajya. All the three things are given up. Get these points very clear. First, the value and worries about objects are given up. No more possessiveness. Then be a good person with everyone. Second, then a good person only can think of something higher. Then start remaining aware more and more of our own being. But there are still efforts involved. Even that efforts are given up. Sheshe, and what remains is sthiram samadhana yena tejasi tatyaja. Even these efforts, that also is given up. And there sheshe sthira samadhanaha. And all the efforts. So yena tejasi tatyaja. Whosoever you may be, I am doing sadhana, I am a seeker, or whatever it is that. Given up even those efforts. And then sthira samadhanaha, then abide in your own being. Patanjali says, prayatna shaitilya ananta samapatibhyam. Let our life be with minimum efforts. No struggle,